Hey friends, if you encounter the error, there is a problem with this Windows installer package, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open the administrative command prompt window. Type SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, select hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. The last solution is to unregister and re-register the server. So we have a file msiexec.exe. We will unregister and re-register it. So I will copy these commands. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste them and hit enter. It will unregister and re-register the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.